Let's start with this, okay? With chapter number 2. Let's listen, okay? And after that, we have to do some activities according to the chapter number 2. Okay, listen.
The Emperor's men try to find the nightingale. They see an old gardener in the palace garden.
Do you know anything about a nightingale?
Oh, yes. It lives in the forest.
Take us there at once.
Okay, maybe you can say notes about this because we have to complete. Okay, next.
The old gardener and the Emperor's men go into the forest. It is very quiet there. Suddenly, the nightingale sings.
There it is. It is sitting in the tree.
Oh, how wonderful!
It sings beautifully.
Please turn on your camera. Okay. Now I need that start reading Alice. Alice. The old gardener, read the text.
The old garden and the emperor
Men
go into the forest. It is very quiet. There usually the nightingale sings.
Isabella, please turn on your camera. There is it. There is it. It is singing in the tree. Continue, Alice.
There is it is sitting in the tree. Oh,
Mia, Isabelita. Oh, how wonderful.
Oh, how wonderful. It sings beautifully.
Beautifully. Okay, thank you. Okay, Henry, Rick, first of all listen and then you have to read.
Yeah.
The Emperor's men are surprised. The nightingale is a little brown bird.
This cannot be the nightingale.
Yes, it is very small and plain.
Okay, do it. Now your turn.
The emperor men are surprised. The nightingale is a little brown bird. This can be the nightingale. Yes, it is very small and plain.
Okay, thank you. Ariel, next, you have to read.
But the men are happy to find the nightingale. Now they can bring it to the Emperor.
Little Nightingale, the Emperor wants you to sing at the palace.
I sound better in the forest, but I can come with you.
Okay. Read, Ariel.
But the men are happy to find the nightingale. Now they can't
bring it
to the emperor.
To the emperor. Little Nightingale.
The emperor
Sebastián, where are you?
wants you to sit at the palace. I sound better in the forest, but I can't
Come
with you.
with you.
With
I
you.
found better in the forest, but I can come with you. It said the nightingale, right? In that way. Okay, now we have to continue with the last part, but remember that in chapter 2 we have some activities, okay? Go to the activities. Okay. Now we have to display the activities about chapter number 2. We already done, right? We already did this and this also. And this, we finished that. We already finished this activity. Ya hicimos esta actividad, chicos. We already finished that activity. Kenneth wants to participate. Kenneth, where is Kenneth? Okay, Kenneth. What is the missing word? The emperor. The emperor. The emperor's man tried to trying to find the nightingale. Trying to find a nightingale. Okay, very good. What else? Someone to help me. Maybe María del Mar. Okay, María del Mar. Tell me the rest. What are the missing words?
Gardener.
What? Gardener.
They.
The gardener. Sorry. Okay, see an old gardener in the, which is the missing in the forest. Okay. No, in the forest, but in the forest here. Okay, another words that you can find useful to complete the conversation. Nobody? Maybe Emiliano. What?
Garden.
Garden. Okay, a word garden. Garden appear. Okay. Garden. Oh, see, a no gardener in the
Palace.
palace. Okay. Palace. The palace garden. Do you? What is the question here? Another participant, Mia. Do you know the answer? Do you? Do you what? Do you? What is the verb? Do you like? Like. Let me check. My no is, I didn't hear that word. No. Another participant, maybe Emiliano. Emiliano is raising. Juanita, Anita.
Miss.
Tell me a word. Tell me another word.
No.
Do you know? Do you know? Very good. Do you know what?
Anything.
No? Anything. Okay, anything. Anything?
About.
About. Spell the word. Spell the word.
A.
A.
B.
B.
A. B. O. U. T.
T. Very good. Excellent. Do you know anything about the nightingale? Oh, yes. It is.
Lips. Lips.
It leaves. Spell the word L.
L-I-V-E-S.
Yes, very good. Okay, what else?
Take. Take.
Take.
T-A-K-E.
Very good. Take us.
Take us.
What else? ¿Quién más? Someone else to participate? Another participant? Maybe Alan. Alan, you know what is the missing word? What are the missing words? Take us.
The palace.
Palace is already done. Palace, no. Another word? Alan, another word? Nobody?
There.
Another participant? Nobody? Okay, maybe Ariel, do you know any word to complete the conversation about this? And the other have to complete in your book, yes?
There.
Take us there.
There.
Okay, take us there at?
There at one.
At once. Okay, spell the word once. O. What else?
O.
What else? M. Christian, where are you? C. E. Okay. Take us there at once. Very good. And the missing word here, Ariel, do you know what is the missing word? It's a personal pronoun, the last personal pronoun, I think. It starts with letter T.
They.
They, I suppose. No.
They.
This is the word. They, okay, they. They see, okay. Tell me the complete dialogue. Read the complete dialogue. Do you want to read? Sebastian, please read the dialogue. The emperor's men tried to find the nightingale.
The emperor's men found the nightingale.
Try, not tree, try. Try to find
the nightingale in old garden in the palace garden. Do you know anything about a nightingale? Oh,
a nightingale?
A nightingale? Oh, yes. It lives in the forest. Take us it at once.
Okay, very good. Did you complete to finish this activity?